check! My check! NYPD! We need their name! And birthday! Let's go guys up on the sidewalk! Go on the sidewalk! Let's go on the sidewalk! Sidewalk down! Hey, you're on the sidewalk! No, that's Larry. Nathan. We have a voice! You have a choice! 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 We have a voice! And they were giving out water to the people that was protesting in the DNC and RNC. What have you done for your community? Mic check! Mic check! This right here is an example of an officer making a real choice. You guys have a choice. Don't say you're just following orders. There's more to it than that. Pretending you don't hear. You know, you're trying to remind me of something. This lady told me I'd rather have a job. Just have 2 jobs. There you go, right there, you're fine. Awesome. Where's your security?
Government.
I don't get vocal around here. I don't get vocal, but that sign.
What democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like.
What democracy looks like.
This is what our streets. Our streets. Our streets. Unstoppable. Another world is possible.
Someone else named Nate, who's a live streamer, was arrested, not me.
Goldman Sachs address is 200 West Street.
The curved building.
The curved building is a block away.
The curved building is a block away.
I want to ask this group. If y'all are down. To go over there.
This is it. This is Goldman Sachs.
We got sold out. Banks got bailed out. We got sold out. Banks got bailed out. We got sold out. Banks got bailed out.
Just rushing over to the Goldman Sachs. We're at 200 West Street.
We got sold out. Banks got bailed out. We got sold out. Banks got bailed out. We got sold out.
Whiskey's telling us we got to keep walking.
We got sold out. We got sold out. We got sold out.
Threatening arrest here, which every time they've done this earlier in the day, they have made an arrest. Someone will be getting pulled out of the crowd soon. All right, we have a group of 5. Lincoln Arms sitting down in front of Goldman Sachs.
We got sold out. We got
One protester holding her arm out so that any others can join him. Police saying, get up. They gave him a warning, and now here they come in. They're making the arrest.
We got sold out.
He's forcing us all back.
Who do you serve? Who do you protect? 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 Who's ever heard of Goldman Sachs? Who's ever heard of Goldman Sachs? We are the Goldman Sachs. We are Goldman Sachs. 1% of the 1%. 1% of the 1%. They're ripping us off. They're ripping us off. They're ripping off New York's finest. They're ripping off New York's finest. They ripped off the Greek economy. They ripped off the Greek economy. The whole world is watching. The whole world is watching.
Again, we're not moving, so I guess technically we're still arrestable. 5 arrests just made here at Goldman Sachs, 200 West Street.
Arrest the bankers! 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 Arrest the bankers!
the people who stole our democracy. You are here to protect us. We pay your bills. You are here because of us. We're not here because of you. You're here because of us. We allow you to be here. You don't allow us to be here. This is our street. This is our earth. This is our country.
Folks, you're just joining us. This is the one-year anniversary of Occupy Wall Street.
Goldman Sachs, we'll be back! 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 Goldman Sachs, we'll be back!
One-year anniversary of Occupy Wall Street. Utter chaos in the streets this morning. Chaos on the sidewalks here in front of Goldman Sachs.